Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Oreo cake. I have baked two 6-inch sponges. One is vanilla sponge with some Oreo chunks inside to make it more fun and flavorful. And another one is a rich chocolate sponge. For the frosting, I have prepared whipped cream mixed with Oreo crumbs to add the perfect cookie flavor. I have prepared a smooth chocolate ganache in a 2:1 ratio, which I'll be using in each layer to make the cake extra rich and chocolatey. And the sponge will be soaked with plain milk to keep it nice and moist. I hope you enjoy watching, so let's get started. That was our delicious Oreo cake with layers of vanilla and chocolate sponge, creamy Oreo frosting, and rich ganache in every bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more yummy cakes recipes and baking ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, happy baking and decorating.